Hi everyone! Another great day. So, nagbabalik na naman. I am Coach MG. And today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga income ng iilan sa mga OFW business partners natin na right now kumikita part-time. Yan. So, ipapakita ko sa taas. I-slides ko dyan. And first, yan. Congratulations kay Coach. Yan. Mario Ferrer for your accumulated part-time income. Congratulations, Coach, sa 158,880 mo income part-time as an OFW from USA. And next, congratulations kay Coach Catherine Malazarte. Yan, accumulated part-time income mo na 639,749. Yan, half million na total accumulated income mo as an OFW sa Kuwait. Yan, congratulations Coach, nakaka-excite, napakarami talagang kumikita. And next, congratulations kay Coach Almirose Dialde for your accumulated income part-time na 61,310 or 1 month income mo part-time as an OFW sa Jeddah sa KSA. And next, congratulations kay Coach Bernadette Dominguez for your accumulated part-time income as an OFW sa Singapore na 60,919. Yan, so congratulations mga coach. Alright, so iilan pa lang yan sa mga OFW na naging part ng community natin, ng community namin na kumikita ngayon. And ikaw kung isa kang OFW na gusto mo rin kumita part-time or empleyado ka or estudyante na gusto mong kumita online, yan. So, message me directly, see you in my inbox, and ituturo ko sa'yo kung paano gagawin itong negosyo na to. Yan. So, this is Coach MG and happy business day!